Hello guys, Clinton Tyler coming to you on behalf of the Cash Building System Unlimited. And this video is just to show you guys a timeline it takes for you to get your startup kit from the time that you either went online and paid your $50 for phase one, or from the time that they receive your postcard back in the mail with your information filled out with your payment. As you can see right here, it says it takes from 7 to 10 business days. And I'm going to go back to the original email when I first signed up, when I got my ID number and my welcome email from the company. Stand by. Okay, guys, right now what you're looking at is my original email that I received after I signed up. Let's see if we can go to that date. That was December the 10th. At 9:02 p.m. 8 days ago, and it was at 9:02 p.m. All right, now let's see if we can go to the tracking information. Stand by. Okay, guys, I'm back. What you're seeing here is expected delivery by Saturday, the 19th, and as you guys saw in the previous clip, 8 days ago was the 10th, so it'll actually be 9 days. So he does deliver the startup kit within the time frame that he said, 7 to 10 business days. And actually, it would have been 8, but they just changed it this morning to a new delivery date of tomorrow. So this is the history of it. I became a member on the 10th, which was a Thursday. So he waited to he said 1 to 2 business days your startup kit would go out. So the second business day was on Monday, the 14th. And it started from, I guess that's Byesville, Ohio, on the 14th. Then went to Columbus on the 16th. Departed Columbus on the 16th. Arrived in Jacksonville, Florida on the 17th. Departed Jacksonville on the 17th. Arrived here in Tallahassee on the 17th, which was yesterday. I'm not sure why it has to go through all these hubs and it's already here locally. And it departed the distribution center. Then on the 18th, and arrived at the post office today. So it's here. It's actually here. So it actually arrived in 8 days. And I asked my mail carrier, was it possible for me to go to the post office and pick it up? And she said that the package is probably sitting on the truck waiting to be scanned, so it wouldn't be ready until tomorrow. So I'll have to wait until tomorrow. So, guys, I was just showing you all that the time frame is real. He delivers on that promise. And I'm expecting, I think I have 5 signups. So the last email I got from him, he said I had 3 signups this week, which there was another one after that one. Mr. Steve joined our team. Congratulations, Steve. And I'll show you guys the proof of the members that have joined the team once that package comes. And I know my good friend and marketing partner, Lou Ann, she joined the same day I did. So the package that's coming tomorrow would probably have 400 postcards. The 200 for me and the 200 for bringing Lou Ann in, and 400 leads, 200 from me signing up and 200 from me bringing her in. So, and it probably will have $25 in that. So tomorrow's package, unless I'm surprised, should have $25 and 400 postcards and 400 leads. And the next package should have 800 postcards and 800 leads along with $100. So I'll keep you guys posted. Clinton Tyler signing off on behalf of Cash Building Systems Unlimited. Like the video, share it, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell, and I'll be sure to post a proof video tomorrow, God willing, and I'll see you guys then. Take care. Love you all.